If you've worked with a table saw long enough, you'll eventually run into a project that requires some very complex cuts. That's the situation I ran into with a recent project. I'm using construction grade lumber, and the piece I needed to cut was 8 feet long. The solution is to break down the complex shape. Once you have it broken into easily cuttable pieces on the table saw, you can glue these back together to form one single piece. Instead of trying to glue together 5 pieces all at once, I'll break this down into several steps. By doing this, I'll be able to create a piece that is as straight and as true as possible. I'm using a brad nailer during the glue up process. It's helping me keep the wood as straight as possible. Remember, this is construction grade wood, and you can see there's knots and it's not always perfectly straight. Clamps are a must, the more the merrier. One tip though, do not over tighten your clamps. On softwoods, they may leave a mark.
I just finished sanding this. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks.